So, hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Briefing. So it's 18 February and we are entering into the last expiry of this particular month, right? So logically, let's start with the SGX again. So if you see, market is again showing a bit on the negative side move, right? So 30 points gap down probably, right? And the market had made a low of like 17,150 and then it recovered actually. Now let's go to the Nifty and see what is happening. So first of all, so as we have seen that when market is moving up here, so it's just a short covering move. And from last 2 days, it is a short in the market, right? Because of the OI has increased and market is closing in the negative. So the structure remains again on the, bit on the weaker side. So market is taking resistance around 17,500 that we have already discussed earlier. On the downside, market support at 16,850, right? So that is with Nifty. Here in OI, so you can see it was just a short and short covering move. So mostly market is looking on the downside. Yesterday, the OI has increased again. So that's change. So that's, you can see again, market is creating a short position specifically, right? For 20th February, 24th February expiry, if you see 17,500, 17,500 is where market is, taking a resistance, downside 17,000. Okay. And then if you go further, 16,500. So these are the levels we can look for. Bank Nifty की बात करें तो okay. So as we have discussed, Bank Nifty भी अपने एक range में consolidate हो रहा है. So that range is like 39,000 on the upside. Downside 36,500. So ये range है market का जिसमें Bank Nifty अभी trade कर रहा है. If you see Bank Nifty here, so that's an unwinding move yesterday, right? So by looking at this, as of now, we can say 38,000 is the resistance, 37,000 is the support for Bank Nifty. Okay. Now let's come to the top gainers and losers. So last trading session, Shriram Transport Finance, Naveen Florian, and ICICI Bruli, these are the three top gainers. Okay, India Mart, Muthoot Finance, and Hincopper, these are the three top losers. We'll go to the next contributor. So again, a mixed book, bit of the negative side from the private bank specifically, right? Go and check the built up. Okay. So capital goods, FMCG and oil are showing bit on the long side. Cement, auto ancillaries and private banks are showing a short cover. Fine. So let's try to find, some stocks again. So probably we'll be going again on the shorter side. So again, we just go and do the short cycle. Okay. So logically, again, we need to find some stocks which are showing a short specifically. So Adani Ports, yesterday we have already discussed, this was a short covering and then we have a short. So yesterday stock went down by 1% approximately. Still looks weak as of now. Here also, Amaraja batteries again, not, so we can take Amaraja battery, not an issue. So if we see Bharat Forge again here, so that was a short and short covering. So this looks weak. So if we go to the Bharat Forge, okay. So if you see the stock is making here on the technical charts, it's look weak because it's not able to break that trend line and it's making like, lower highs specifically and lower lows. Okay, so here market is giving up the move whenever it goes up. So that's clear cut, short covering moves whenever market is going up. Let's check the OI for this. भारत फोर्ज का OI देखेंगे तो लोअर लेवल पर है OI, बट स्टिल यू सी मार्केट में जो मूव आ रहे हैं वो शॉर्ट एंड शॉर्ट कवरिंग साइड में ज्यादा आ रहा है. ओके, सो दैट इज द थिंग. लेट्स सी वेयर वी कैन टेक द ट्रेड. So Bharat Forge, so it's trading here. So 730 could be a resistance for the stock, right? So if the stock rises, we can go and create a short position. And if further breaks 700 level, it's very near to this level. If the stock breaks 700 level, we can go and create a short position in Bharat Forge. Okay, so the weak stock on technical charts also, and we can anticipate at least 660 in the levels downside, at least this for the low, right? Okay, that stock fell further, right? So Bharat Forge looks weak on charts, specifically from the data also, and open interest data also shows that we have just only the 700 call, which is showing put option, which is showing addition. If that breaks down, we can see the stock fell further, right? So 660 is the support where we can see the target levels. Okay, and so 630-35 could be a resistance. Okay, so 30 is a good level. Now second, we can go again with I think supply seems to be fine again. Okay. Probably we have discussed the supply few days back again. So again, the stock is taking resistance near the 950-960 level, right? So that's a very good level, and the stock looks weak. So if we go with this Cipla, so that's, you can see from last 3 days we are having a huge OI built up with this. So if you see the OI, and this absolute change is again very big, right? So logically the stock looks weak here based on the technical charts, and seems to be the traders are creating more on a short position in this. Okay, so even though we can see any rise towards 950 could be a good selling opportunity, because this is the resistance we have. Okay, and the stock fell further below 920, we can go and create a short position. And 900 started showing some unwinding. If the stock fell further below that, we can anticipate 850 level on the chart specifically, right? So that's a huge target for this, and the resistance could be on 9, right? So these are the two stocks again on the short side. Okay, we'll go and check the ban list also. So no new additions, specifically only two stocks, Escorts and Indiabulls, right? So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again on Monday. Thank you so much.